Hey guys, welcome to the Bosh studio. Today I'm going to be cooking for you an absolutely delicious noodle-based stir fry. It's a lo mein. It's going to be completely plant-based. In fact, we're using this, which is vegan chicken. We're going to make that taste amazing, and we're going to pimp it out with some mushrooms as well. This dish is going to be so delicious, so spicy, so fiery. I hope you love this recipe. First, we're gonna make a cheeky little marinade that's gonna double up as a stir-fry sauce. Add to a large mixing bowl some dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, rice wine, sesame oil, delicious hoisin sauce, a touch of sugar, and some grated garlic and ginger. Stir that all together to combine. Oh my goodness, this smells absolutely dreamy already. You know this dish is gonna taste good. Now we're gonna add our vegan chicken and our mushrooms and toss that all together. Now, if only we had smell-o-vision, because this mushroom and vegan chicken combo smells absolutely incredible in this marinade. I'm gonna leave that there to marinate for about 15 or 20 minutes while I prep all the rest of my veg for the stir fry. Veg is prepped, nicely mise en place. Now that is a really important point because we're gonna be cooking hot and fast, so it's really good to do your chopping carefully in advance. But first, we're gonna finish our sauce. Drain the liquid from the mushrooms and vegan chicken through a colander and just catch all of that wonderful flavor into a mixing bowl beneath. And we've got all of that lovely flavor back, ready to use in our sauce. To that incredibly delicious sauce, we're gonna add a touch of vegetable stock and then some corn flour. Whisk really, really well to help that thicken up into a lovely stir-fry sauce. Give it a quick taste. Tastes amazing, perfect for our stir-fry. Now let's get cooking. Set a wok on a high heat and let it get really hot for 2 minutes. The reason we want a super hot pan is so that we can cook these really quickly, getting that nice cooked flavor and also preserving the integrity of the vegetables. We still want to have a really nice crunch. That feels good and hot to me. Vegetable oil in. Sesame oil, good flavor but low smoke point, so it's good to temper down your sesame oil with some vegetable oil. Add your vegan chicken and mushroom to the pan and watch for the sizzle. It should sizzle crazily to let you know the pan is hot enough. Stir that around with our wooden spoons, keeping the pan on the heat, and let that chicken and mushroom cook for 2 minutes. That's perfect. Now I'll add my vegetables. Matchsticked carrots, some finely sliced onion, finely sliced peppers, and some lovely baby corn. Stir that all together with your wooden spoon, or if you prefer, now is the time you can toss. That veg is absolutely perfect. Add the sauce. Oh, that lovely stir-fry sauce, and take it off the heat. Then stir through our straight to wok noodles. Make sure they're vegan. Toss that all together and you have an absolutely incredible tasting lo mein. Ready to be enjoyed, ready to be plated up. How good does this look? That is gonna be an incredible dish. I'm gonna get this on a plate. And to finish it off, a little bit of finely chopped spring onion. Beautiful. What a delight to look at. Let's see how it tastes. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is an incredible flavor. So much umami, saltiness, sweetness, real incredible flavor on that. It's hard to know that you're not eating meat. This is delicious, and that is a delicious dish. I'm blown away by this dish. I hope you guys liked this video too. I hope you try this recipe. Let us know down in the comments if you do. Do subscribe if you're not already. And yeah, big love to all of you. We'll see you on the next video. Peace.